We're back on the Duramax with new radiators. New radiator. Cheapest one on Rock Auto was like 200 bucks. Trans cooler, about 115. Make this truck legit so we can tow stuff. Let's go fire it up. It's about 15 degrees right now. Gonna jump start it. I'm gonna do a cold start video. The LBZ. She's smoking a little bit. Got some gray smoke, but it's cold. Don't die on me now.
Alright, I'm gonna get the garage.
Okay. Come on, baby. Do not die. Fit this garage. We're in. Shut the door, Dan. Let's get that heat blowing. Oh man, it's cold. We think we got the leaks figured out, but now we have to fire it up, let it warm up, check for leaks again. Oh, that was so close.
Hang on.
How is it?
Let's go.
Give me a break. Give me a break.
Wait a minute.
Give me a piece of that Reese's bar.
What?
Nothing's stuck in here unless we get it running. So if we push it outside, just push the tire, Dan.
Okay.
I already turned it a little bit.
I'm trying to get this extension cord out of the way.
Alright, I'm gonna grab the Jeep,
Okay.
pull it out.
Okay.
Well, you don't like that idea?
I just think it's entertaining.
Yeah, it is. You're gonna have to just watch the wheels and then steer it as need be. But I would stay outside of the truck so you can see the tires. Here's what we got. We're gonna pull it out with the Jeep so we can get jumper cables onto the batteries. It's ridiculous, but we're gonna get it done. It's a nice dirty windshield for you. Go. Then 4x4 low, reverse. There we go. It's working. Dan's freaking out. He's gonna get the D-ring out of there. I'm just gonna pull up next to it, put jumper cables on the Jeep to the Duramax, see if we can get it running. Hopefully this works. Hop in the Jeep and rev it up a little bit. Diesels, man. It says low coolant level. Did it already go low? I didn't think it was, yeah. Grab the rest of what we got. If I break down, I'll call you. We're gonna go for a drive. Well, here we are in the new old truck. Still getting a low coolant level light. I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's and get some coolant, top it off. I got the scan tool here. Feels like there's brakes are dragging. When we stop and get out, I'm gonna have to go around and feel all the wheel hubs, see if one of them's hot, because it feels like a caliper is grabbing and not letting go. It feels like it's in the rear, or maybe it just hasn't been driven in months and needs to be driven. Let's cross our fingers. We are driving. Transmission's shifting smooth. Oh, son of a... There's a cop. There's a cop right behind me. That's the last thing I wanted to see. So we might be getting pulled over here, and I don't have any paperwork for this truck in the truck, and man, those brakes are grabbing. We're having lots of issues right now. I'm just waiting for cherries in the background here. Oh man, I got some brakes that are locked up. They're right by me. Woo! That was close. But we got other issues. The rear brakes, man. What is going on? Alright, I just added a gallon of Dexcool, and the light's still on. We'll see if it shuts off as we go down the road. But I can't go very far. One of the rear calipers has got to be dragging, and it feels like it's getting worse and worse. So, more work. Yay. Just wanted to tow a couple things with this truck and then take it apart, and it's just like, looks like it's gonna be one thing after another. Speaking of which, I'm low on fuel, so we gotta go get some fuel. Those brakes are pulling me, man. Does not feel good. I put it in tow haul mode just because it feels like I'm towing something right now. But when I got out at O'Reilly's, I couldn't feel excessive heat on any individual wheel. So, oh man, I just let off the gas and yeah, this is like getting worse. Alright, I'm just gonna head straight home. I'm not going to the gas station. This is ridiculous. Ugh. That does not feel good. Yeah, cool, bud. Guy in a power stroke. Trying to be cool. It's not cool. Low coolant still. Come on, man. Shift. Oh. I guess I could go manual. There we go. Oh, that's cool. Never seen the manual version on a cat eye. It's pretty neat. Driver's rear. Whoa! Whoa! I've never seen a rotor get that hot. Yeah, dude, telling you, Thing was dragging like no other. Let's check this one. Oh, just as hot. Look at that. Yep. Told you it was the rear. Let's check the front though. Front looks good. Oh, you can smell it. It smells bad. Unbelievable. Look at that. I guess we're done for today. I do need to move this thing somewhere else. This is the rear brake line off the Duramax that I believe was causing the brakes to lock up. Once these things get old, they'll let fluid in, but they won't let it out. It's like it turns into a one-way valve type of thing. So I put a new rubber hose on, and the brakes have not locked up again, so I guess we're good.